This is the story of a group of friends that started to disappear. In this story, there are two friends, John and Peter. John and Peter are talking when suddenly Walker appeared with a paper. In the paper was the photo of their friend, so they decided to tell to Zach. They knocked the door, and Zach opened it. Then they told to him what happened. Then the boys go downstairs to the reception desk. They meet in the same point 1 hour after. They separate and Zach go downstairs and search. Zach is in the hall. The door of the toilet is open. Suddenly, someone closed the door, and Zach entered to see what happened, but Zach disappeared. 1 hour after, Peter and John meet in the reception desk, but Zach doesn't appear. They sit in a bunk. The two boys phone to Zach, but he doesn't answer. The two boys go upstairs, looking for Zach. They go through a hall when suddenly they listen a familiar sound in the door. They listen shouts of people and they open the door. But they see the boys playing Clash Royale in their phones. So the story ends